I'm just saying what you would do from the swing low to swing high if this was in fact the top, which we don't know. We have no effing clue. This is all hypothetical and for the sake of education on a bearish cipher. If this was a bear market, my God, this is the time where one would short. But it's a bull market, so we don't know. Bitcoin just keeps blasting off. But 70% retrace, man. PCZ is a perfect textbook pattern. Your first target on a sell-off would be 11,684. Second target, 10,858. And if you were lucky, if it was a bear trend, there's a chance you could see the 786 or 886, right? The situation would go to 786 because that's A, right? So that's it, man. That is your bearish cipher textbook pattern that is very, very large. Okay, that's a huge harmonic pattern. Okay, so if we stall here and can't break above the 786, probably see 11,676, right? At least. What can happen in these bullish trends is you have one target and then you rally and run again, right? It's just like PCZs, man. The pattern completion zones, or PRZs. Some people call them this price reversal zones. Okay, that's where we're at right now. We're like literally at it. So that's what I'm gonna leave y'all with tonight. Something to think about. It's just a harmonic that's been studied for 75, 80 years now, something like that. Gartley started coming out of these in the late 30s, man. Yeah, dude, not a joke. Hey, traders. So that was just a recap of last night, the end of the stream. Hopefully some of y'all got to see that. The stream lasted like nearly 6 hours, kept it live during the pump, came back after dinner. And yes, this is one of the last things. I mean, this was literally the last thing we talked about. So there it is, man. All right, we're making our way down. We've gotten as low as 11,893 so far. Selling may not be done, but my God, man, you went from 65, 66 all the way down to 29.30 on the RSI. Very, very quick. So what do you do now, chat? I know it's crazy. It sucks. I mean, look, even on the 60-minute, it was also talked about divergence, man, right? A high on price, a higher high on price, lower levels of relative strength, and even in the short term from this high to the same high, like the miniature little, attempted rally, lower levels of relative strength. And, I mean, straight up, man, straight up, you diverged here as well. All right, I'm going to make it red. Okay, so if you're scared, well, understand what we... here's another thing, all right? It's really cool. What else did we do, chat? So there was a short-term square up at 12,587. Hit it, blasted it. The other square up at 11,900. Hit it, perfect. Guess what, chat? There's another square up around 11,500. Yes. So we'll see in time if we get there, but for now, this pattern has completed. We're impulsing down a new wave, and though we can rally, make lower highs, sell off again, we don't know when this wave's going to end. Once we do establish another swing high, we can anchor 1 and 2, create some sort of channel, and maybe this would turn into some form of bullish consolidation. All right, and that's fine. But at each fib node, we might see price action reverse to the upside. To the extent of how high we reverse, is unknown. But we'll be looking for, on the 4-hour, some bullish divergence at each fib node. So I'll be looking for, for a potential trade, I'd be looking for Coinciding variables. Bullish coinciding variables in a bull trend. All right. That's what I'll be looking for. And you should be too. There's really not much more to discuss besides altcoins got obliterated. Okay, no big deal. I mean, like, Litecoin down 10%, EOS down nearly 12%, most down 6 to 8%. Okay, so we just need to wait now, right? Once a pattern plays out, it's time. All right, going to the 4 hour, never got close. Never got close to that measure move. That's fine. You hit a 78% retrace, bearish engulfing candle. All right. I guess you were diverging somewhat on the 4 hour, but not like a clear different island. That's fine. But hey, maybe if you come down to these levels, maybe you'll back test the trend line that was never back tested, right? Look at that. Perfect square up. You can see it on the 4 hour too. And again, another one, 11,500. So in time, we could see that just to square up. Negative momentum has just begun to build, really, right? And there's plenty of room to run to the downside if you wanted to. On the 4 hour, you're 47, so you're not oversold is what I'm saying. So this could go lower, you know, for the short term for some time, all right? So we're just going to keep our eye on each fib node and see if we have coinciding variables, maybe a pattern of some sort, and then we can go from there. Another idea, I believe, that Bradford had. Let me see if I can plot this. Oh no, I gotta... I thought my stuff broke. Again, you know, my trend lines weren't working last night. It was stupid. So Bradford had an idea like this, and I'm like, yeah, I mean, it looks interesting. I mean, why not at this point? Let me quad screen. Yes. So there you go. Another idea. It's like a rising wedge of some sort. Okay. But either way, man, you had a valid inverse head and shoulders, slanted head and shoulders. Man, if you missed the stream, we'll clip it for the patrons, but we went over head and shoulders patterns like hardcore yesterday, last night. I can't remember. A stream just like, it was like 2 streams in one, all right? So look, I'll be live in a little while. You know, I normally go live 6 p.m. Eastern, 11 p.m. Eastern, every day just about. And looking forward to doing it again to cover all this stuff with you. So if you did enjoy the recap of Bitcoin, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Leave a comment in the description below. Let's see how far we go, chat. Which targets will we hit? Mysteries abound. I'll talk to y'all soon. Till next time, respect the T.